Hey everyone! Today we're wrapping up Mesh Software as a Service, a project funded through Project Catalyst Fund 12 in the Concepts Funding category with a total proposal budget of 100,000 ADA. From inception to completion, we've made significant strides in enhancing Cardano integration capabilities through our hosted solutions. Let's dive into the details. This project was part of Fund 12's Cardano Use Cases Concept Challenge. The idea? Build a hosted service that lets any system, regardless of language or stack, connect to the Cardano blockchain. We focused on creating a low-friction gateway for transaction building, signing, and wallet operations, all via RESTful APIs. For developers who don't work with Haskell or Plutus, this opens up a whole new entry point, making it more seamlessly to build on Cardano, eventually providing a better developer experience to the Cardano developer community. So, what did we actually build? Here's a quick look at the core components we shipped. Fully deployed cloud infrastructure and open source license. Open sourcing the infrastructure enhances transparency and invites community validation, encouraging feedback and reuse. This deliverable shows functional implementation of a core feature, demonstrating the utility of the concept and enabling technical validation through prototype interactions. Finalized server application code, exposing the JSON to transaction endpoint and mesh utils, providing reusable utility functions coming from deeper product design thinking, and supports validation by offering developers modular tools that can be tested and evaluated independently. User-defined transaction building. This feature reflects a novel and flexible interaction model, demonstrating innovative potential. It validates the concept by enabling user input and experimentation with transaction structures. Hosted wallet/private key for signing. A hosted signing solution simulates a critical component of the full system. Testing it during the concept phase reveals key security, usability, and design trade-offs necessary before full implementation. Everything is open source and public on our GitHub, ready to use for developers. Hack around, find out. Mesh, as an open source developer project, has so far been funded exclusively through Project Catalyst. On one hand, this has been an incredible opportunity. Catalyst funding enabled us to commit full-time to building on Cardano. However, we also recognize that long-term sustainability cannot depend solely on Catalyst support. That's why proposals like this one are so important to us. They allow us to explore alternative revenue streams by developing solutions tailored for businesses and enterprises. This not only diversifies our funding model, but also strengthens our ability to contribute as a dependable, long-term player in the Cardano ecosystem. The Concepts funding category has proven to be an excellent way to bootstrap early-stage ideas. It allowed us to dive in, experiment, and develop a deeper understanding of both the challenges and opportunities within our space. While open source developer tools remain at the core of Mesh, we've learned that translating our stack into practical, high-value solutions for businesses has become an increasingly important priority. You can expect us to continue moving in that direction, bridging our open source foundation with real-world business applications. This project gave us more than a working prototype, it gave us direction. We're now feeding these learnings directly into something bigger than Mesh Web 3 services. It's a natural evolution of this work, more enterprise-ready, more bundled, and more focused on long-term utility for the Cardano ecosystem. To everyone who believed in this project, from voters to reviewers, testers to contributors, thank you. Catalyst gives us the space to think big, test ideas, and build in the open. And this concept stage funding helped us reward contributors and nurture a growing developer community around Mesh, while expanding our focus from dev tools towards business solutions. We're proud of what we've built so far, and we're not stopping here. If you want to explore, build, or contribute, everything you need is on our GitHub, website, or on Discord, where you can directly chat with us.